If you're looking to apply a bank rule in Xero, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that so you can save time and keep your accounting streamlined. Stick around till the end for some tips on maximizing this feature to its fullest potential, and I'll also mention how you can get Xero completely free with our exclusive offer. Bank rules in Xero help automate a lot of your accounting tasks, making sure transactions are accurately categorized as soon as they hit your bank feed. This makes bank reconciliation much easier, saving you a ton of time and effort. To apply a bank rule in Xero, you first need to make sure that you've connected your bank account. If you haven't done that yet, head over to your dashboard, select the Bank Accounts tab, and follow the prompts to link your bank account. Once that's set up, it's time to start applying your rules. Start by going to the Accounting menu, then choose Bank Accounts. You'll see the list of all your bank accounts connected to Xero. Now, under the bank account you want to apply the rule to, click the Manage Account button. In the drop-down, select Bank Rules. Here, you'll have the option to create a new rule by clicking the Create Rule button. Once you do, you'll be prompted to set up conditions for the rule. For example, let's say you want to categorize all payments from a specific vendor or all income coming from a specific source, like PayPal. You can set these conditions in the Conditions section of the rule setup. For each condition, you can select a trigger, whether it's a description, amount, or reference in the transaction. Xero lets you get very specific so you can easily match the rule to exactly what you need. If you're setting a rule for outgoing transactions, like payments to a supplier, you might use the description field and set it to match a term like payment to supplier A. Once you've set the conditions, you'll move on to the next step, choosing what happens when the rule is applied. This is where you decide how the transactions will be categorized. You can assign the correct account, whether it's a direct expense, income, or even a specific asset or liability. You'll also want to specify the tax rate that applies, so Xero can automatically handle VAT or sales tax. After configuring your conditions and categories, click Save. From this point on, Xero will automatically apply your rule to any matching transactions as they come in. This drastically reduces manual work and ensures consistency in your bookkeeping. But what about when a transaction doesn't match your rule? No problem. Xero allows you to manually adjust any transaction that doesn't meet the rule's conditions. You can simply go into the transaction and change the category or tax rate as needed. This flexibility ensures you're never stuck with an incorrect categorization. Now, the beauty of using Xero's bank rules isn't just about saving time, it's about accuracy too. With these rules, your bank reconciliation process becomes smoother and quicker, ensuring your books are always aligned with your actual bank statements. If you're new to Xero, don't worry. Using bank rules is just one of the many ways this software can make your life easier. And remember, you can apply these same principles to multiple bank accounts and even automate more complex workflows as your business grows. Before you go, I want to remind you that you can try Xero completely free by clicking the first link below. With this exclusive offer, you'll get an extended free trial and some additional bonuses that will help you get started without any cost. So, if you're looking to automate your accounting, streamline your workflows, and save yourself some serious time, don't wait. Hit that link and start using Xero today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.